Yeah? Only chest strikes. Yeah? Yeah? That's a different game. Yeah? But when we spar, no chest strikes because they don't count with a real fight. This is too strong here. Yeah? You know what I mean? Yeah, they hit me there if you want. Yeah? Like nothing, Here, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So not the chest. The chest is white belt stuff. Yeah, that's a white belt level. You're not white belt, you know? You have enough control to do a head strike and a throat strike without killing each other, Yeah. Get out of the habit of chest strikes. It's a bad habit. It's a white belt thing. Or we're both playing only chest strikes. Yeah? Only chest strikes. Yeah? That's a different game. Yeah? But for fighting, you want to have the whole upper body.